Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And today, hold on. Today, I will be teaching you guys how to make slime. So today I will be teaching you how to make slime today.
You need to do it sooner than later. Right now they're not watching.
Okay, so the first thing you'll need is Elmer's glue. You can use clear glue or white glue. I prefer clear glue because it gives it a better color. And then we have some Tide, and the Tide will change the color into blue. And I love the color blue, so if you want like the color blue like this one, you can barely see this one, but like it's pretty. The slime, it's not sticking.
We want them to try.
See? It's not
We
sticking.
keep quiet. Just us. Here it comes.
Yeah. Okay, so let's get started. So, okay, so the first thing you will need for this is, you need Elmer's glue, some Tide, something to mix with. I'm just using a fork that I used already for slime. And then something to mix in that I used already for slime. Okay, so the first thing you'll add is your glue. I don't know how much you want, but I only make a little bit of glue. Slime I meant. So yeah, I only make like barely any. Because like, I don't want to waste it. Okay, so pour just like 2 drops of Tide. And take your mixers. Actually, I gotta go grab something. Okay, so I'm back. And I didn't mix it yet, so you're just gonna start mixing it, mixing your glue and your Tide together. So that it'll like get like all clumped up onto your mixer thingy, whatever you're using to mix with. Then it won't be then after this, if it's like really sticky, like after it's like all slimy, then it's all sticky. Like if it's really sticky but not wet, then that means you need to add some more Tide. So yeah, that's basically how you make slime. But that's not the only way you can make slime. You can use Elmer's glue and some other laundry detergent. You can to make slime, but like the slime that sticks that you can't pick up. You can use toothpaste and salt, body wash, and shampoo.
Did you make these changes?
So yeah.
Excuse me.